Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. A new feature update related to e-commerce stores on Funneltopia. Now you have the ability to add a search bar. So, in case you didn't know, there's a full e-commerce capability, right? You can sell your physical products over here on Funneltopia, and this would work for. Let's just say, let's just find it here. If you scroll down over here, it's the search bar. So this would work perfectly for, if you have more than a couple of products, right? You have like 50 or 100 of them, or whatever the amount is. But if it just makes it easier for people to search for your products. If it's just a few, maybe not as useful, but there's more. Yeah, this is a really cool thing. So yeah, if you publish it and then you go to the page over here, the search bar just got added. Shirt. So as you search for something, it drops down all the possible results, right? And then you just click on it, and it takes you directly to the product. So that's, yeah. If there's a long product list as you build it over time, just makes it really nice and simple. Make sure to go check it out. If you have any other questions over here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. Make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.